What's up, guys? This video is part of that quadratics solving section in the Algebra 1 topic for quadratics functions and equations. We're dealing with how you can use square roots in order to solve a quadratic equation. So feel free to watch as much of these as you can until the concept starts to make sense and give that practice a go. Here we have the quantity x plus 1 squared subtracted by 36 equals 0. And using what I coined in a previous video, maybe it's another one you haven't watched yet, but SAD MEP, that's the PEMDAS backwards. The first thing we got to get rid of is we got to make sure that we add or subtract. That has to cancel and move to the other side. I, step 1, added 36 to both sides. Now I just have the quantity x plus 1, which is squared, so square root both sides. And when you have an expression like x plus 1 equals, it's squared equals 36, you have a positive answer and a negative answer that we need to keep in track. All right, I'm going to give you the next question here, the next problem to work out here. We have the quantity x minus 4, which is squared, subtracted by 16. So you probably should go back and check out find the zeros of the function to know what that means, in that it's really the x-intercepts, but it specifically means the function equals 0, and give those types of problems a look if you haven't yet. Also in the zero product property, we're talking about how you can get x to be 0 and makes the whole equation 0. The other video that you should watch is any of the quadratics by taking square roots videos that are just, that are connected to this one. And in that concept, we're talking about how you can use square roots in order to solve. So I have the quantity x minus 4 squared minus 16 equals 0. Step 1 for me, sorry, it's kind of covered by the window, but I've added 16 to both sides, step 1. Square rooted both sides, step 2. So the square root of 16, as it's part of an equation, is both positive and negative 4. There are two equations now. This squared has broken up into one where the answer is positive and the other where the answer is negative. So negative 4 equals x minus 4, or positive 4 equals x minus 4. Continuing to solve, adding 4 to both sides, 0 and 8 are the solutions. I wanted you to get a chance to see the next question after this. But know that the first thing that you should do is try to cancel anything that is not inside the square root, the square. You want to focus on things outside first. And do PEMDAS, the order of operations. You solve by doing PEMDAS backwards. SAD MEP. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. Thanks for doing some math with me. Catch you on the next video. Bye.